Hi, I'm Peter Orlando with Filmar Technologies. I'm just showing you today the Microsoft Surface Hub that we just got in. There's only 2 of these in stock right now, but they're expected to sell pretty fast. But I just wanted to show you some of the cool features that come on this. What this is basically a giant touch screen, just like a Surface Pro. It'll actually integrate with your Surface Pro, so you can cast whatever you're seeing on your Surface Pro onto here, control it, zoom, and you can actually control your Surface Pro with this device also. Some of the cool features on here, of course, the number one thing that everyone's going to use this for is the whiteboard. No dry erase markers, no cleaners, no erasers, no mess. This Surface Hub comes with 2 pens, one on each side. The dock right here in charge as they sit there. So they're always there, available, ready to go. Draw whatever you want. It's a pressure sensitive pen, so you can draw a skinny line or a fat line. You can just flip it around, use this as an eraser. The faster you go, the larger the eraser goes. Another cool feature is the ruler. So you can make any degree line that you want perfectly straight every time. Make a parallel line. It's going to be useful for drafting, presentations, anything you want to make. You need more room, but you don't want to get rid of that stuff. Just swipe, and you can start drawing over here. If you want to zoom out, you can zoom out, make it small, or if you want to get something precise, you go and zoom it. Another really good feature of this is the maps. If you're dealing with streets, routes, you can plan out a trip, you can talk about any geographical location that you want to talk about, see it in 3D, see it in aerial view, just like you can on Google Maps or any other map program. The touchscreen is just really responsive. It'll auto-locate you based on your IP address. That's us in Shelby Township, Michigan. You can actually take a picture of this with the snap function here, and then you can take that and then draw on it, whatever you want to do. Nice feature too is what this is probably made for is presentations. You can do PowerPoint presentations, scroll through, you can do a full slideshow, go through your slides, go through your Excel spreadsheets, select filters, drop downs, even download your own programs. Now this is fully compatible with the full Office 365 suite, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Access, Power BI, anything that you use in your work environment will be fully compatible with this. You can open up and just surf the internet if you want to surf the internet. Or, let me finish talking about the store here. Or you can download new apps, AutoCAD. It even has games that are free from the Microsoft Store. Open up a website, scroll through a website, watch YouTube videos, just look at the picture
takes advantage
on this. This is in full HD. Full screen here.
of that early. Playing action for
You can watch the Lions lose in
HD.
HD. Go through your Outlook, your mailbox. Somebody sends you something. You can post it up on here. Fully manipulable, just like you are surfing on a tablet. This is the Microsoft Surface Hub. You can buy it at Filmar Technologies. Visit us at filmar.com. And don't forget to become a reseller and give us a call. Thank you very much. Have a great day.